In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your contact information in Outlook 365 5 minutes. We'll keep this simple and clear, and by the end you'll know exactly where to go to add or update the email address and username tied to your Microsoft account for Outlook 365. First, open your web browser and go to Outlook on the web. Sign in with your Microsoft account if you aren't already. This process works best in a modern browser like Edge, Chrome or Firefox, and it's designed for the web version of Outlook 365. Once your mailbox loads, look to the top right corner of the page and click your profile icon. It may show your photo or just your initials. This menu is your shortcut to account settings and profile details. From that menu, select My Profile. This takes you out of the mailbox view and into your Microsoft account profile area, where you manage the personal details connected to Outlook and other Microsoft 365 services. On the profile page, go to the section labeled Your Info. Think of this as your account's home base for identity details. Things like your name, sign-in preferences, and contact methods live here. Next, choose Edit Account Info. Depending on your security settings, you might be asked to verify your identity. That's normal and helps protect your account. After verification, you'll see options related to the email addresses and usernames associated with your account. Select the option to add email. This is how you attach another email address to your account, either as a sign-in alias or as a way to be reached. If you're using a work or school account, some options may be limited by your organization's policies. Type your email address carefully in the field provided. Double check spelling and domain to avoid delivery or sign-in issues later. If this address is outside Microsoft, you may be asked to confirm ownership by clicking a link that's sent to that inbox. Finally, click Add Username. This saves the new address to your account. In many cases, it becomes an additional alias you can use to sign in or receive account-related messages. If you later want to change which address is primary, you can manage that from the same area when allowed by your account type. Give the change a few minutes to sync across Outlook and other Microsoft 365 apps. If you don't see the update right away, refresh the page or sign out and back in. And remember, never share your password or verification codes with anyone. That's it. You've edited your contact information in Outlook 365 quickly and confidently. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.